So in this day, as you can see, nagsita mi sa mga small network. So ang giunay ang router gi-connect na mo sa switch hub. So ang purpose dahil sa router is to facilitate communication between different computer network, including connection multiple device internet, allowing them to share a single connection. So pagkahuman is gi-connect daw na mo ang switch hub sa patch panel sa port 1 to port 2. Same daryapon sa patch panel port 1 o port 2. So ang purpose de sa switch hub is switch act as a central hub for data transmission within a network intelligence, directing data to its intended destination and improving overall network performance. So nag-set up na dahil mi karon. So ipakita na ako karon kung asa mong patch panel nara di among patch panel diri gibutang na namo sa port 1 o port 2 nga gikan sa switch hub. So nara di among patch panel. Patch panel purpose is to organize and manage network cable, making it easier to connect. So after that, we set up the adapter PoE. So PoE adapter purpose is allow you to power device like IP camera, wireless access point, and VoIP phone using internet cable.
Asang sa switch hub? Switch hub sa access point.
Pag ginala siya.
Access point.
Dili, ikwan boss.
So narde among access point. So access point purpose is allow wireless device to connect to wired network, enabling them to access the internet or other network resource. So narde gi-set up na ni sa Pico ang access point para ayan ang gitad ang UTP cable padulong sa PoE adapter. So ayan ang gipansak sa PoE. So nara manadayon. So nara di ay ang final results sa among pag set up sa among small network. So nakay tan-awan niyo.